Yeah, all of you can hear?
Hello.
Who can hear?
Yes, sir.
One by one, you say the name, then I know who can hear and who cannot hear.
So this is Tanushree and I can hear you.
Tanushree can hear, then one more. Biba, can you hear? Biba? Biba, Biba is
Yes,
audible.
sir.
Who is that? Pratibha.
Yes, sir.
Kusum. Kusum, you can hear? Kusum.
What?
You can hear, yes or no?
Hello. Yes, sir.
हाँ, yes बोलने में इतना देर लगता है. Then Pratibha can hear. Pratibha can hear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all
Yes,
of
sir.
okay. Well, thank you. I have from today. Okay, all of you.
Yes.
We are going to introduce something new. I mean, we will have the lesson, but in the beginning of the lesson, you can hear clearly.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
From the beginning of the lesson, for the students, I'm saying, Tanushree is actually a trainer. She will be a trainer. For the students, when you join, the first thing is you have to say 2 lines on today's news, any news. Kusum, Biba, clear? Hello. Clear हुआ कुसुम? क्या हुआ कुसुम? समझा?
Yes, sir.
একটু পরে আমি কথা বলছি, আমি অনলাইনে আছি, একটু পরে। या कुसुम, डिड यू सुना क्या?
Yes, sir.
क्या बोलो, क्या बोला?
विभा स्टार्ट करिए।
नहीं स्टार्ट कोई करे, हम क्या बोला क्या? कल से जब ज्वाइन करेगा ना, तो कोई भी उस दिन का न्यूज आइटम न्यूज़पेपर से है कि तुम्हारा टीवी चैनल से कहीं से भी, the first 1 or 2 lines you have to say, all of you. Okay?
So can I start?
You are going to start from today. Okay, start. No problem. Today's news.
Today's news is, one of the news is the country mourns the death of Irfan Khan, who was a very famous Indian film actor. He also acted. Yes, he also acted on 50 domestic films, and the nation mourns for his loss.
You are Tanushree, no?
Yes, this is Tanushree.
When you teach students, don't make the sentence so complicated. For you, it's okay. But for students, learners, don't make it. Just make simple sentence. Okay? नहीं स्टूडेंट के लिए এরকম তুমি তোমার জন্য ঠিক আছে, বাট স্টুডেন্টের জন্য একটু ব্রেক করে বলবে that like Irfan Khan died today, we mourn his death, he was a just simple sentence for students level.
Simple sentence.
हाँ हाँ.
Okay.
So प्रतिभा and कुसुम, आज से स्टार्ट करना है कि कल से? हेलो, कल से. ओके, लेकिन कल न्यूज़ लेके रेडी रहना है, ठीक है? आप ये मत बोलो कि हिंदी में देखा था, हिंदी में देखा था तो इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करो, ठीक है? बोल रहा है ये लोग बोलते हैं हम हिंदी में देखा था, हिंदी में देखा था इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करो, हमारा क्या है? ओके ओके. नाउ you have all of you can see the screen. All of you can see?
Yes.
First we are having the introduction. Usko dialogue will do later. See, can you see this exercise 5.09? Do I
no sir, it's too small.
Yeah, now it's okay.
No sir, a bit could you zoom? It's too small. Already I'm wearing glasses.
तुम्हारा 30 साल में और हम 60 साल में चश्मा नहीं पहनता है.
Oh, this is maybe I lack.
No problem. ठीक है. कैरेट और शाक खाओ, ठीक हो जाएगा. Okay. Now it's okay.
Yes.
Actually,
yes sir.
Tanushree, not that. मैंने if I make too big, हमको up down करना पड़ता है. That's all. That is the only thing. Okay. So no problem. So yeah, Biba, Kusum, all of you are hearing?
Yes, sir.
Pratibha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we have got that. That was the last part. Now, how do you introduce yourself at a party? Not at a interview ke liye nahi hai, not for a job interview. How do you introduce yourself to a party? Just we have 2 or 3 lines. See, what are the 3 lines? Your name, your relationship with the host, because you have gone there.
Yeah.
But if you are introducing yourself, that means the person does not know you. If they know you, then there's no question of introducing. So the person does not know you. You have gone maybe for the someone's birthday party, but you are meeting his father or meeting his mother. You are not meeting the person. So the person does not know you. So your name and relationship with the host, where you come from and your occupation. Just 2-3 lines. Kya hai? Name, relationship, and your place where you're coming from and your occupation. That's all we need. Like Jack's wedding party, but Jara, you're meeting someone else, not Jack, but some of his family members. So how do you introduce? I'm Mr. Smith. Ye kya hai? You are introducing your name. I'm Mr. Smith. Jack's childhood friend, that is a relationship. Why you have come to the party? Because you are his friend. So I'm Mr. Smith, Jack's childhood friend, relationship. I live in London. That is a place from where you are coming, where I work as a biomedical engineer. That is your occupation. So you can see even in 4 different lines. Here we have combined the line. Actually, this lesson plan was developed by USA. So USA wo apna bada kar diya. So actually you can make short sentences. So I'm Mr. Smith. I'm Jack's childhood friend. I live in London and I am a biomedical engineer. You can make 4 different sentences. Okay? Now, all of you introduce yourself to Tanushree. Tanushree is new here, so you have to introduce yourself. Come, Biba.
I am Bibha. I am Miss Bibha. I am Kusum's cousin. I live in Kolkata and I am a student of archaeology.
Thoda sa dheere bolo. You don't have to go so far. I am Kusum.
I am Bibha.
I am Bibha. हाँ बोलो.
I am Bibha. I am Kusum's
अरे बाप full stop के बाद तुमको breathing नहीं करता है क्या तुम लोग? Full stop के बाद 1 second रुको ना. I am Bibha.
I am Bibha.
हाँ आप बोलो.
I am Kusum's cousin.
Okay.
I live in Kolkata and I am a student of archaeology.
Very good. Then next Kusum.
I am Kusum. I am Bibha's colleague.
Colleague, huh? Colleague.
I live in Howrah.
I live in Howrah, yeah.
I am a student of accountancy and finance.
Very good. Next.
Yes.
Next.
I am Pratibha. I am Bibha's sister. I live in Kolkata. And I am housemaker.
We don't say housemaker. We either say homemaker or housewife. Either housewife, homemaker. Housemaker. So, you know who is a housemaker? Civil engineer, mistri ban gaya. Yeah, either you say homemaker or sometimes nowadays we call it home engineer also, or just housewife. That is the old term. Actually, outdated ho gaya, but still homemaker, not housemaker. Okay. Then okay, Tanushree will introduce herself, and that should be a model because you are a trainer. So actually, you have to show them how to do it.
I'm Tanushree, and I am the host's cousin, and I teach in an institute in Bankura where I train student biology, and I'm from Siliguri.
You are from Siliguri. She is in teaching students in Bankura. And and now I want all of you to ask one question to Tanushree. About her career, about her Siliguri, about her coaching center. Just one small question. Start, Biba.
Okay.
Simple question, not a very complicated one.
Which institute do you teach?
Very good.
I teach I teach in Future Orbit, which is located in Bankura, West Bengal. And here I teach zoology, which is my subject, which is a part of biology. I train students for NIT examination, which is medical examination for students.
Medical entrance.
The pre-medical test.
Yeah, pre-medical entrance.
Yes.
If you want to join the medical college, that joint entrance examination for medicine. Okay. Then, Kusum, if you want to ask something.
Do you have any siblings?
I do have an elder brother who is 4 years older to me, and also he is working in Ranchi itself. He's a relationship manager in a finance company.
Yeah, Pratibha, your question. Pratibha.
Yes.
Malavana, Zoom is for 40 minutes, so try to be fast. Otherwise, we run out of time. Last May they will Zoom dikhayega. You have 2 minutes left. You have 3 minutes left. So just try to be fast. Okay.
Sir, आजकल extend हो जाता है more than 40 minutes. Zoom.
अच्छा हो जाता है और शेड्यूल करने से होता है ऐसे नहीं होता ना शेड्यूल करने से होता है
नहीं yes
शेड्यूल्ड मीटिंग में होता है दिस इज नॉट शेड्यूल्ड मीटिंग हम शेड्यूल किया नहीं एनीवे दैट ऑफ कोर्स हम बंद करके अगेन आई कैन स्टार्ट नॉट दैट बट स्टिल बीच में गैप रहने से ना प्रॉब्लम होता है या से
प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
माने डोंट have too much gap ठीक है 2-3 seconds it's okay say yeah Pratibha
what is your hobby?
Yeah, very good.
I love cooking. I really, and the worst part of it, like no one taught me how to cook. I learned it all from YouTube. I really love cooking and I love to knit, and I also love reading novels. I'm a voracious reader.
Okay, great.
Acha. Voracious, they may not know the meaning. Yeah, how many of you understood the word voracious? Just let me check actually. Pratibha and Kusum and yeah, what is the meaning of voracious? Anyone? Kusum?
No, बहुत सारे हैं.
अरे तुम context में अंदाज करके बोलो. This is actually माने vital part because supposing you are going for an examination, वहाँ पर passage देता है something. So even if you don't know every word you may not know, उसका अंदाज माने according to the context you try to guess. So she said she reads a lot of book and she's a voracious reader. So context, according to the context, try to guess the meaning. And this is a one very good skill actually to guess the meaning even if you don't know. Because exam में तो नहीं है ना घर में तो dictionary देख लेगा अब exam में बैठ के क्या करेगा. So what is the best meaning? अपना guesswork से बोलो according to context. If someone loves reading and is a voracious reader, then what could voracious mean? Because this is a vital skill. Anyone? Kusum, Pratibha, Vibha, anyone?
Yeah, like reading different genres of books.
No. What is the meaning of voracious?
Not
meaning of
different types.
No. And anyone else? Voracious.
No.
Voracious. No. Voracious actually the literal meaning is greedy. जो greedy होता है ना greedy जानते हैं ना? You know greedy? हाँ, that greedy. Yes. But greedy means that means you are never satisfied. जितना भी पढ़ेगा you are never satisfied. You want to read more. समझा? Greedy. Yes, greedy is
always
a person.
Eager and
always eager. But never
eager
satisfied.
And enthusiast. Yeah.
Always you want to read more. 100 किताब पढ़ लिया तब भी बोलेगा अरे कुछ नहीं हुआ I want more. So something like that. Okay, this is what essentially it is greedy. Voracious. Voracious, you know, she's zoology. Anyone, you're not in zoology. She's from zoology, she knows. We call the caterpillar voracious eater. Caterpillar जो निकलता है ना egg से, butterfly का. Butterfly का जो caterpillar निकलता है ना egg से, they are voracious eater. एकदम greedily they start eating. बहुत ज्यादा खाता है पत्ता को. ये तो या voracious किसी किताब में देख लेना कोई 5-6 का किताब में when caterpillars come out of they are voracious eater greedy eaters because they continuously eat. Okay, Now, this was introducing yourself. Now we come to introducing another person. Okay. So this time you will be introducing, like Kusum will introduce Vibha, Vibha will introduce Pratibha. Now what it consists of? The same thing as above. Yeah, dekh lo. Introducing others, where I'm highlighting in case you can't find. You can see the highlighted part?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The same thing, it includes the above points, person's name, place, relationship, and include one point of appreciation about the person. ऊपर में जो बोला अपना समय वही, the same thing you have to say about another, but add one thing, one good point about the other person. Always add one good point. Like यहाँ देखो example, he is Mr. Smith, my childhood friend. He is now working as a biomedical engineer in London. यहाँ तक तो ऊपर वाला था, ऊपर में I बोला था because he was saying, so he said I am Mr. Smith, I am his. यहाँ पर बोलता है he is Mr. Smith and he is my childhood friend. He is now working as a biomedical engineer in London. He is a good batsman and was the captain of a school cricket team. One good point you have to say about that person. Or he has helped me many times when I was in financial difficulties. Or he has recently won the Best Poets Award. Some good point about the person. Okay? ऊपर में जो बोला बोलना ही है. Their name, their relationship, their occupation, everything you say. But add one more line, one good point about the person. Because they are you are introducing them, that means you know them. So one good point about them you have to add. So start. Kusum will introduce Vibha, Vibha will introduce Pratibha, like that. Start. Who will start? Fast.
She is Kusum. She is my sister. She is a student. She is good at cooking.
अच्छा तुम are you running that you are, तुमको इतना माने दौड़ रहा है क्या कि तुम्हारा ब्रीदिंग इतना फास्ट रहा है? आराम से बोलो.
कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं
इसलिए कि तुम जल्दी फास्ट बोल रहा है. तुम एक सेंटेंस का रुक जाता ना, कंफ्यूज नहीं था. शी इज कुसुम हो गया. अब एक सेकंड में सोच लो नेक्स्ट में क्या बोलना है. शी इज माय कजिन. काम खत्म. अब नेक्स्ट तुम बीच में गैप देगा तो कंफ्यूजन कम होगा. से अगेन आस्ते बोलो, गैप दो, देखेगा कंफ्यूजन कम. हाँ बोलो.
She is Kusum. She is my sister. She is a student. She is good at cooking.
एक सेंटेंस का फुल स्टॉप में और थोड़ा ज्यादा गैप देगा और थोड़ा इजी होगा. बोला शी इज कुसुम. 1 2 3 4. Then
she is my sister.
1 2 3 4. She is a
student. She is good at cooking.
कौन वाला इजी हुआ?
सर सबसे लास्ट वाला.
जितना थोड़ा सा गैप दो. Okay, next. Yeah, Kusum. Now say about you can say about Vibha or Pratibha or anyone. Kusum, fast.
She is Pratibha. She is my elder sister. She is a homemaker. And she is a good listener.
She is a good. का बाद रुको मत. She is a. Then you are thinking ऐसे मत रुको. She is a good listener. If you find the sentence long, a good listener.
A good listener.
हाँ. का बाद मत रुको. She is का बाद थोड़ा रुक सकता है. She a good listener एक साथ होगा. अच्छा. Then who is left?
Me.
Pratibha, na? Yeah. You can say about any of them, or you can say about Tanushree, or you can say about me also. Anyone. No problem. Grammar ठीक होना है भाई. हमको गाली भी देगा तो ठीक है. If your grammar is correct, it's okay. If your speaking way is correct, it's okay. तुम्हारा English ठीक होगा ना, हमको गाली भी देगा. I'm happy. Okay, fast.
She is Kusum. She is my sister. She is in BCom third year. She study in third year.
She is in BCom third year. Slowly बोलो, देख भी easy हो जाएगा. She is in BCom third year. आस्ते बोलो, कोई speed को उतना जल्दी नहीं है. आस्ते बोलो.
She is in BCom third year. She loves reading books.
Okay. She loves reading books. Very good. Now we have this is the thing which I may ask you to repeat without saying next day. Next day the news item to bolna hi hai. Now we will have this situation we have. एक किया था ना, नहीं किया था ना, all of you? हम कौन बैच में किया, हम भूल गए. Did you do this?
No, sir.
No. कौन है रे भाई, कहाँ चिल्ला रहा है? ये जितना ओए होम मेकर का काम है ना, ये होम मेकर के घर में हो रहा है. होम मेकर नहीं, नॉइज मेकर है. अच्छा, so any two of you take up and do this. And Tanushree, your work is to guide them if the way of saying is wrong. Try to guide them. Yeah, any two persons. One will say the first left line, and one will say the right side line. Any two of you. Ab fir socho mat. We want quick. Bolon.
It's long way. Shall we take a bus?
It's a long way. Shall we take a bus?
Shall we take a bus?
It's a long way. Full stop. Ekdam ruk jao. Shall we take a bus? हाँ बोलो. Second, who is saying? अच्छा, यहाँ पर sorry, हम भूल गया. The on the right side they are not in order. You have to यहाँ से choose करना पड़ेगा उसका आंसर क्या है. ये order थोड़ा माने up down किया हुआ है. Right side में you see which one is the answer for that. It's a long way. Shall we take a bus? Right side में खोजना पड़ेगा तुम्हारा कौन वाला आंसर है. You have to pick out the right answer.
Okay, sir.
Who is saying first of all?
Kusum.
Kusum से who said the first left part और left side वाला कौन बोला?
Sir, last one.
हाँ?
हम बोले नहीं.
अरे हम मतलब कौन?
Sir, Pratibha.
Pratibha, okay. Pratibha is saying the left side. Now, yeah, Kusum, if you want to say, then Khojlo, which is the right answer? It's a long.
Let's enjoy a walk in the beautiful morning.
ये तुम पढ़ रहा है ना, तुम एक आंख बंद करके बोलो तब it will look like you are speaking. अभी जो बोल रहा है ना, it looks like you are reading something. You are not reading actually, you are speaking. So एक बार पढ़ लिया, अब तुम दूसरा कहीं देख कर बोलो, उसको दे without seeing that one. And you can change the words. कोई बात नहीं.
Okay, sir. No, let's enjoy the walk in the beautiful morning.
Very good. Let's enjoy a walk in the beautiful. Sentence बड़ा रहने से क्या करेगा? No का बाद you have to pause. Comma है. So you have to pause. No. इसका बाद जो sentence बड़ा है, so let's enjoy a walk. यहाँ तक एक साथ. In the beautiful morning एक साथ. No. Let's enjoy a walk in the beautiful morning. Let's enjoy a walk is one part. In the beautiful morning another part. If you find अगर एक साथ बोलने में problem होता है तो नहीं होता है तो it's okay. No, let's enjoy a walk in the beautiful morning. लेकिन जिसका confuse हो जाता है ना, या तो ऊपर हमारा confuse हो जाता है, then you इसको half off कर लो. So no, let's enjoy a walk in the beautiful morning. Okay, next line, Pratibha. तुम्हारा तो ऑर्डर में वन आफ्टर अनदर पढ़ के जाओ, उसको तो खोजना है, तुमको तो खोजना नहीं है. You say the second line.
All right, we shall walk. What have you got to buy?
A question है. Question will be always in rising tone. What have you got to buy?
All right.
What have you got to buy?
We shall walk. What have you got to buy?
Yeah.
What have you got to buy?
Okay, Kusum. Kusum, fast.
Eating apple से.
अरे eating apple.
Second.
ए apple का तुम apple खाता नहीं हो उस apple. हाँ बोलो.
Some
Eating
tomatoes
apples
and
is good.
ना
Buying anything else.
What are you
No.
going to buy? देखो वहाँ पर क्या है?
some tomatoes and capsicum.
Some tomatoes and capsicums.
Some tomatoes.
नहीं मिला. यहाँ से ये वाला.
Some
ये वाला.
tomatoes
हाँ.
and capsicums.
हाँ. Some tomatoes and capsicums. Some पर जोर मत दो. Some tomatoes. Some पर जोर नहीं है. Some tomatoes and capsicums. Some or and. Some पर don't say some tomatoes. Some tomatoes and capsicums. Some or and बहुत हल्का करके बोलो. एकदम हल्का करके. Some tomatoes and capsicums. बोलो. Kusum?
Some tomatoes and capsicums.
Very good. Now, Pratibha, third line.
We love tomatoes to capsicum are costly.
Full
We
stop
we
hai.
love tomatoes too.
We love
Capsicums are
हाँ,
costly.
we love tomatoes too. रुक जाओ. Capsicums are costly. बोलो.
We love tomatoes too. Capsicums are costly.
Okay. Then, yeah, Kusum, what's your reaction to that? Boलो.
All family.
Um,
Yes, they are costly. Yet I have to buy them.
I have to buy them. To buy them एक साथ होगा. Yet I have to buy them.
I have to buy them.
Yes, they are costly. Yes के बाद pause because of comma. Comma है तो pause देना है. Yes, because
They are costly. Yet I have to buy them.
Very good. Next, Pratibha.
Would you be buying any fruits?
Would you be buying any fruits? Yeah.
Would you be buying any fruits?
Very good. Pratibha, very good.
oh yes, I had almost forgotten. I need apples.
Forgotten.
Forgotten. Oh yes, I had almost forgotten.
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 Yes.
Forgotten.
अरे forget का past tense forgot होता है ना, तो वहां से forgotten. Forget, forgot, forgot, forgotten. ये तो स्कूल में हर टाइम बोलता था ना, होमवर्क क्या किया, मैम आई फॉरगॉट. ये तो तुम्हारा पेट सेंटेंस था ना भाई. ये तनुश्री जानता है, जब भी स्टूडेंट आता है मैम आई फॉरगॉट, वो यही चीज है. सो फॉरगॉटन. या यस, आई हैड ऑलमोस्ट फॉरगॉटन. आई नीड एप्पल्स. बोलो
I need apples.
ओके. देन प्रतिभा, नेक्स्ट वन.
So do you know my children eat apples every day?
So do I. So do I. बोलो.
So do I. You know my children eat apples every day.
Every day. Then, Kusum.
Eating apples is good. Buying anything else? Oh, sorry. ये वाला है.
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है. Eating apples is good. ठीक है था. Eating apples is good. Buying anything else? A question है. Buying anything else? Rising tone. Question mark है. Buying anything else?
सर नीचे से थर्ड वाला हो सकता है ना?
My son
कौन
too.
वाला? अरे चाओ केक के बारे में. एप्पल से केक में कहाँ चला गया? अच्छा मुश्किल है.
नहीं, my son too.
हाँ उसका बाद वाला पढ़ो.
chocolate cake.
तो केक में कहाँ चला गया? एप्पल में रहो ना अभी.
Sorry.
हाँ तुम एप्पल का बात हो रहा है, तुम केक में चला गया. Eating apples is good. Buying anything else?
Eating apples is good. Buying anything else?
Else? Then, Pratibha?
Yes, I remember. You have to buy a pound of fruit cake.
Pound.
I have to buy.
Pound नहीं, pound. Yeah, I have to buy.
I have to buy a pound of fruit cake.
Pound, हाँ. Pound of fruit cake. Yeah. Then? अब केक में आओ. तुम तब से केक के बारे में सपना देख रहा था, अब केक में आओ. अब केक में आओ.
Why
My
fruit
son
cake?
too.
My son
But
too.
he prefers chocolate cakes.
Very good. But he prefers chocolate cakes. नहीं केक तो है ही, चॉकलेट में थोड़ा जोड़ दो. चॉकलेट केक में मत जोड़ दो. केक तो है ही, फ्रूट केक के बारे में बात कर रहा है. या बोलो.
So it won't be like, why fruit cake? Is it someone's birthday? Then the person will say, no, it's nobody's birthday. My son loves to eat cake.
No, it's nobody's birthday. Sorry, sir. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Why fruit cake? Is it someone's birthday? Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, madam. Yeah, Kusum, that third line. Write my third one. Why fruit cake? Is it someone's birthday?
Why fruit cake? Is it someone's birthday?
Pratibha, last line.
No, it's nobody's birthday. My son loves to eat cakes.
Okay. Now 9 minutes I think you can cover, नहीं तो I will disconnect करके फिर भी कर सकता, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, but then देखते हैं 9 minutes में you can do this one, करो. And another 2 person, प्रतिभा and कुसुम, क्या ये Biba and this one.
Hello, how do you do? Nice to meet you again.
Hello, how do you do? How do you do? Nice to meet you again. बोलो.
Hello, how do you do? Nice to meet you again.
Next one. और कौन है तुम्हारा? 2 किया था ना, बाकी 2 है.
Welcome.
हाँ, okay.
Welcome. It's ended a pleasant surprise.
Welcome है, welcome नहीं. Welcome. Welcome.
Welcome. It's ended a pleasant surprise.
हाँ, next. Fast. जल्दी करो.
Thank you. I am sorry I am disturbing you.
Thank you का full stop है. Full stop में थोड़ा गाड़ी ब्रेक करो स्टार्ट करने में. I'm sorry.
Thank you. I am sorry I am disturbing you.
हाँ. I'm sorry के बाद थोड़ा सा pause भी ले सकते. I'm sorry I'm disturbing you. Okay. Next.
It's pleasure. After such a long time.
After such a long time. Long को थोड़ा long बोलो. After such a long time.
After such a long time.
Speed को slow करो.
Yes.
हाँ, बोलो. Yeah, बोलो.
Yes. We are meeting after 2 long years.
2 long years. 2 long माने
2 long years.
हाँ, long year तो long नहीं होता है, सब एक ही होता है, but long years माने तुमको लगता है बहुत दिन हो गया है. 2 long years. Okay.
Nearly 3. Have you come with your son?
Very good. Have you come with your son?
I am here. No, I am here on some urgent business.
Okay. Then जल्दी करो, नीचे देखो green दिख रहा है ना screen में. 7 minutes. हाँ, staying for long. हाँ, question. Staying for long? Yeah, same.
No, I can't. No, I can't stay for more than. No, I can't stay for more than 2 days.
Very good. See, this is how you divide. I can't say एक साथ बोला, for more than 2 days एक साथ बोला. Learn to divide the sentence. Very good, Pratibha. Then
why not spend a full jolly week with us?
Why not spend के बोले एक साथ. Why not
Why
spend
not spend
a full jolly week with us? I would love to.
I would love to, but my son's exams are going on. You see.
Going on, you see.
Well, why don't you come after that?
Well, I might come in August first week.
August नहीं होता,
Yes,
August.
that would
August.
be fine.
It is
August.
August. हाँ. August
Yes,
first
that
week.
would be fine.
Yes, that would. Yes, comma है, pause. Yes, that would be fine. Okay.
Yes.
Now, last 5 minutes, Tanusri's remark. Whatever she wants to say, Tanusri will say.
Anything.
Yeah, I mean, anything to the students. Anything means anything to the students about their performance and where the pitfalls are.
Okay, everything was good, but I feel you people need a lot of practice, and with practice you will come out with flying colors. Like sometimes after the comma or the dot or the question mark, sometimes you people tend to complete it in one go. So like with practice, I think everything will be fine.
Okay.
2 चीज समझ लो. एक है whenever there is a comma, full stop, pause करना है. Second, जहां पर लंबा सेंटेंस होगा उसको 2 या 3 हाफ में ब्रेक करना है मेंटली. वहां पर भी पॉज देना है. वहां पर पॉज बहुत कम होगा लेकिन पॉज देना है. और पहले देख लो, हाफ में सोचो मत. यहाँ तो यू आर रीडिंग फ्रॉम देयर. व्हेन यू से 1 फुल सेंटेंस सोच के बोलो, हाफ सेंटेंस सोच के मत बोलो. जैसे आई हैव ए, उसके बाद सोचेगा नहीं. एक लाइन पूरा नहीं सोचना है, एक लाइन, 1 लाइन यू थिंक आई हैव ए बाइसाइकिल. ठीक है, इतना सोच लिया. नाउ से आई हैव अ बाइसाइकिल. ठीक है, और स्लोली बोलो, जल्दी नहीं. जितना स्लो बोलेगा उतना जल्दी सीखेगा. देन यू कैन गो बैक टू योर ओरिजिनल स्पीड. After 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, then you go back. So even if you say I have a bicycle, नहीं कोई नहीं. I have a bicycle. It is pink in color. This speed bhi chalega. Unko, you do, there's no hurry because you learn faster that way. Stumbling nahi hota. ठीक है? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we
Thank you, sir.
tomorrow we'll come back and news wala ready रखना. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Be ready with your news. And Pratibha, you said na you did not get the PDF files. Who said in the phone in the morning that they did not?
See, Aprajita.
Aparajit. Okay, I'll do. Here, this PDF also file I will send. Okay. ठीक है?
Okay.